In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of a team on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're moving on to a new role or just delegating responsibilities, transferring ownership is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Now, let's dive in and get started with the first step. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. If you're not exactly sure where to go, just type Microsoft Teams Login in your search bar and you should see the official site pop up in the results. Clicking on that will get you headed in the right direction. Once you're on the Microsoft Teams homepage, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see the option to sign in, so go ahead and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your credentials. Use your existing Microsoft account details to log in. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Just follow the Forgot Password link to reset it. Signing in will take you to your main Teams dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you'll need to head over to the Community or Teams section. This is where all your team activities, chats, and meetings are stored. It should be easily accessible from the main menu on the left side of your screen. When you find yourself in the Teams section, look for the specific team for which you'd like to change the owner. Next to the team name, you'll see 3 dots. These represent more options. Click on those dots and a menu will appear. In the menu, you'll find the option labeled Manage. Click on it. This is your gateway to managing team settings and roles. Now that you're in the management interface, locate the drop-down labeled Members. Click on it and you will see a list of all the current members of your team. Beside each member's name, there's a role drop-down. Identify the member you wish to promote to owner and click on the role drop-down next to their name. In the drop-down list, you will see various roles that can be assigned. Select owner from these options. This action will change the member's status to an owner, transferring ownership rights on the team to them. And just like that, you've successfully transferred ownership of your team. From now on, this newly appointed owner will have the administrative capabilities to manage team settings, so make sure it's someone you trust with these responsibilities. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials.